The use of a powerful neodymium magnet allows for a remarkably compact and lightweight design while delivering exceptionally high performance. With an impressive sensitivity of 107 decibels, these tweeters feature a horn optimized through finite element method analysis to produce incredibly clear and loud high frequencies. These tweeters are built to last in various environments, incorporating a body with waterproofing and an anti-UV treatment to prevent damage from the elements. An extra-light aluminum membrane combined with a copper-clad aluminium ribbon voice coil provides excellent thermal capability, maximizing sound pressure level output. This kit conveniently includes stylish metallic mesh grills for protection and inline crossover filters, simplifying the installation process for a professional setup. Engineered for high-output systems, these tweeters handle up to 100 watts of peak power and present a standard 4 ohm impedance for wide amplifier compatibility.